You might be surprised to learn that some things you think are good for your face could actually be harming your skin. If you're aiming for clear, glowing skin free of acne, blackheads and large pores, it is crucial to know what to avoid. On this channel, we guide health-conscious men and women of all ages towards looking and feeling their best through a holistic approach to health and beauty. Today, I'm going to share with you my top 5 things you should never put on your face. Some of these things might just surprise you. Let's jump into it, starting with number 5 on the list, body moisturizer. Sure, body moisturizer is fantastic for your body, but it's not so great for your face. Like petroleum jelly, body moisturizers can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. You might be tempted to grab that big bottle of body lotion from the store because it is cost effective, but it's important to choose products specially designed for the delicate skin on your face. I recommend a good facial moisturizer, especially natural antioxidant moisturizer. It's made with natural and organic ingredients, won't clog your pores, and even includes antioxidants to nourish your skin. Next up, at number 4, we have bar soap. I'll admit, as a guy, I've used bar soap on my face more times than I can count, just like many of you probably have. But bar soap is actually not a good choice for facial cleansing. It tends to be extremely drying to your skin and often contains sodium lauryl sulfate. This ingredient is what gives the soap that satisfying lather, but unfortunately, it also strips your skin of its natural moisture. So while bar soap might be fine for the rest of your body, keep it far away from your face. Moving on to number 3, rubbing alcohol. You probably heard of astringents or toners that contain alcohol, and they can give your skin a cool, clean, squeaky feeling. However, this is one of the worst things you can do to your face. Rubbing alcohol strips your skin of all its natural oils, which might sound appealing if you have oily skin, but here's the catch. When your skin realizes it's lost its oil, it overcompensates by producing even more oil, leading to an endless cycle of oiliness. So avoid rubbing alcohol, astringents and toners packed with alcohol. Interestingly, many people with oily skin actually benefit from oil cleansing. Well, my number 2 thing you've got to keep away from your face is petroleum jelly. Many of us have had petroleum jelly slathered on our faces or lips by well-meaning mothers or grandmothers, believing it to be the ultimate moisturizer. But let's take a closer look. While the jelly pot sounds harmless, the petroleum pot is where the trouble starts. Petroleum jelly originates from the bottom of oil barrels, and this is not something you want on your skin. It can clog pores and create an occlusive barrier, which is especially problematic if you're prone to acne. So steer clear of petroleum jelly, not just on your face but on your entire body. Instead, opt for natural alternatives like those made from beeswax. And finally, the number 1 thing you should never put on your face is, brace yourself, semen. Yes, sperm facials have become a bizarre trend, while some people paying hundreds of dollars for them. The idea is that semen contains antioxidants and proteins that are good for your skin, but let's be realistic. While it might contain small amounts of these beneficial ingredients, we haven't thoroughly tested just how much is in there. Plus, think about it, meat is packed with protein too, but we don't go slapping steak on our faces, do we? Besides, there's a more serious concern. Semen can carry sexually transmitted diseases. Trust me, you don't want to deal with an eye infection like chlamydia. So while this might sound amusing, it's not a beauty treatment I would recommend. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe, and be sure to check out some of the other videos we have coming up. Keep glowing and see you in the next video.